Welcome to my channel. In this channel, we share information about work from home jobs and ESL teaching jobs. Disclaimer, I am not affiliated with or connected to any of the companies featured on this channel. I am simply share information and opportunities that may be helpful to job seeker. Please do your own research and verify details before applying to any job or company. Dito po ay mamimili po ako ng mabibigyan ng 50 pesos GCash. Hi guys, sa video ito ay pag-uusapan natin itong si Indeed. Indeed. So ito yung Indeed guys. Dito is, of course, if you are a job seeker, so meron siya mga remote job dito, mga typing job, copywriter, ano pa, data encoder, katulad dito. So, easily apply data encoder paid printers and services sa Manila, and 695 to 750 a day opportunities promotion, permanent employee, and then report and data specialist, data encoder, 18,000 to 20,000 per month, company events, accounting data entry, healthcare, account, 30,000 to 40,000 paid training, pay rate, health insurance, and opportunities promotion, additional leave. Data encoder, 19,000 to 25,000 a month, opportunities for promotion. And then you can click if you want to know if you want to read the job description. So full-time, job type, full-time, and then data encoder experience. A data encoder is a plus. Computer literate, proficient in Excel, Word, can start anytime. Ready to take a challenges, at least graduate or college level or any computer course. Data accuracy, keen to details, data encoding and data entry. So dito ay full-time, 19,000 to 20,000, 25,000 per month. Company Christmas gift, free parking, on-site parking, on-site parking, opportunities for promotion. So work location in person. So this is on-site. Okay, on-site siya. Warehouse data encoder. Kung gusto mo naman ng work from home, data work from home yung hahanapin mo. And then you can click job, find a job, data entry associate. So this is work from home, 18,500 a month. And then data entry specialist, remote, data entry clerk, non-voice, virtual role. Then accounting data entry. And madami, data entry specialist, customer service order entry, 28,000 to 30,000 and siguro per month, siguro to not hour. So 40 hours per week, paid training, opportunities promotion. Ito, data entry home base, same lang siguro, no? Ayan, ito pa rin yung lumabas. 18,000. Malaki, malaki. Accounting data entry specialist, healthcare. Same lang naman. So, basahin natin itong data entry associate. Precision Data Solution Corporation. Ayan, apply with Indeed. Alabang, full job description, join our dynamic team. At least 2 years college level, preferably with at least 1 year data entry work experience with MS Office and data entry programs, fast typing skills with at least 40 to 60 WPM with 95% accuracy, has a keen eye for details, willing to be trained on site at our office at Alabang. So company events, opportunity for promotion, benefits, work from home. So if you don't know how to, um, if you want more, kanang more information about this, you can go to philippineindy.com for further research about all the job here. Basta marami po silang job na in-offer dito, hindi lang, meron pang video editing and anything work from home. Pwede po kayong makahanap dito ng trabaho. So, ayun lang yung share ko ngayon. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell and subscribe my channel. Thank you for more video pa na ating itatalakay sa channel na ito. Thank you.